Hey there everyone, this is John Holman. I'm going to be narrating this drone video footage of a fishing trip that we made to Pyramid Lake. It's only a few minutes long, but it shows my son Robert catching a good size Lahon cutthroat trout over in Anderson Bay, jigging with 2-ounce laser minnows. I'm grateful for John Ginocchio for recording the video. Also on the boat is my son-in-law Matt Edmond, and we had a great time. So as you can see from this footage, we're jigging in a fairly calm water off Anderson Bay. We're in about 110 feet of water. We hadn't really had much luck, and Robert hooked into this nice fish that we proceeded to play for a few minutes. That's recorded on this drone footage. This fish was a great fighter. It came to the surface very unwillingly. A couple of times dove back down to the bottom of the lake. Once it got to the surface, it jumped, and then, as you can see, it swam up on the swim platform that we have on the back of the boat. We battled it back and forth for quite a while. Robert played it masterfully. We finally got it into the boat and realized what a nice fish it was, and what a joy it was to have everyone on the boat and enjoy this beautiful catch. It was a great day on a lake. Very beautiful weather. Unfortunately, the fishing wasn't great. We only caught a few fish that day. I think the time we were there, the lake was turning over in the process. The lake was in the process of turning over, and we just caught it at a bad time. That day we caught a couple of fish in the 20 to 24 slot range that we threw back, and the next day we fished in the morning, and my friend John Ginocchio caught a nice 9-pound fish right off of Pelican Point. We had another couple of fish on, and a smaller fish that we released, and that was it for a day and a half of fishing. Was a 9-pound and 11-pound trout. Now, you know, this is Pyramid Lake, so you're pretty happy with a 9 and 11-pound trout if you were at any other place, but we were hoping to get a few more in the boat and have a little bit more action. We did have a great time there, camping overnight at Pelican Point. We watched a beautiful sunset. We had some ribeye steaks that we grilled on the barbecue. We enjoyed the stars coming out, and it was just a really nice break from everyday life. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see if we can get some more in the future.